In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Telegram groups versus Telegram channels and help you decide which one is better for your marketing needs. To kick things off, let's dive into understanding what Telegram groups and channels are. Telegram groups function much like a chat room, allowing for collective interaction among members. They're perfect if you're aiming to foster a sense of community and encourage two-way dialogue. In contrast, Telegram channels serve as a broadcast tool where messages are sent to a large audience without allowing for direct responses from members. They're ideal for disseminating information efficiently. Now, when determining which platform suits your marketing strategy, consider your communication goals. If you're seeking engagement, feedback, and interaction, Telegram groups can offer dynamic discussions and are fantastic for community building. However, managing these interactions requires effort, as you'll need to moderate conversations to keep them constructive. On the flip side, if your primary goal is to distribute announcements, news, or updates without soliciting feedback, Telegram channels might be your best bet. Channels allow you to reach a wide audience and ensure your message remains consistent and uncluttered by input from others. Another crucial aspect to consider is the privacy and exclusivity of your content. Telegram groups can be set up to be either public or private, giving you control over who joins and who can see past messages. This flexibility allows for more customized marketing strategies. In contrast, channels also provide this flexibility but are typically better for reaching a vast audience more efficiently. Think about the scale of interaction you desire. Groups are excellent if your intent is to engage directly with your followers and cultivate a dialogue. Be mindful, though larger groups might become overwhelming and challenging to manage without strict moderation policies. Conversely, channels ease communication management. With the ability to add administrators to help manage content, channels allow you to maintain a consistent and professional message delivery. Another factor to weigh is the type of content you intend to share. If you need to share detailed documents, gather opinions, or conduct surveys, groups are more fitting. Telegram's poll and file sharing features can help gauge audience preferences within a group setting. However, if your marketing approach leans towards sharing quick updates or multimedia content like videos and images without engaging in lengthy discussions, channels are more efficient. They guarantee that your message is received without getting lost in conversation threads. When diving full throttle into Telegram marketing, you can consider combining both groups and channels to leverage their unique advantages. For instance, you might use a channel to broadcast important updates or promotions, and then foster detailed discussions or host QA sessions within a group. Ultimately, your choice depends on your marketing objectives and the nature of the interaction you wish to foster with your audience. Whether you prioritize engagement and community through groups or concise, broad-reaching communication through channels, Telegram offers versatile tools to enhance your marketing strategy. With the right approach, you can effectively harness the potential of both platforms. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful marketing tips.